safe to say that gardening season is over this year. Had a viewer from Kentucky say her kids were moving here in a week or two, and she said, is the weather really that bad in Wyoming? Yes it is. My plants just started blooming about 3 weeks ago. Now we're gonna have a frost in about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, maybe 3. Yeah, it's not bad. Alright, let's go out to the big garden and see if there's anything left. Oh man. Alright, well, I guess the season's over for the year. Oh my goodness. Oh, my pumpkins. Oh. Well, my peppers. I planted these stupid things 3 times. Planted them 3 times. I think I'm done for the year. I think I'm just gonna be done. Oh my goodness. My acorn squash. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Well, my lovely petunias. Totally shredded. Oh my goodness. Did the truck get damaged? Just the basement's leaking.
Is this a strawberry patch?
Yeah, it was a strawberry patch.
Man, it looks like the buffalo came right through here.
Pretty much dead.
Whoa, look at the squash. The plant's all completely
Yes, these were
smashed
my
down.
pumpkins that I've been trying and trying to grow.
They were pumpkins?
Yes. People ask why we have a stockpile of food and why we prep. This is exactly why. You never know when any sort of natural disaster, hail, tornado, windstorm, hurricane, earthquake, flooding, blizzards, you never know what is going to happen to take out your crops. And I mean, we could just be totally wiped out of some particular crops at any given time. So this is exactly why we stockpile.